Welcome back, everyone. Today's project is going to be this here. Purchased this at a yard sale a while back. It's a little mini amplifier. You hook up your guitar or an instrument, you play out of it. So I already took off all the internal components. I put the faceplate back on here just to show you guys what do I plan on doing. Here's the grill for the old speaker. There was an 8 ohm speaker in here. Made in Taiwan. This is an aluminum plate. So what I'm thinking, this basically sits like that. Okay. So has that design. It's pretty cool. Even has that little octagon shape there for to put on a post. Anyways, what I plan on doing is removing this here. So you see this little lip here? That's exactly where that plate's going to be. I'm going to build something, probably out of wood, but instead of being reinsisted all the way in there like that, I want it to be that it's just going to be flush, right about, to there. Now, the reason is the speaker that I'm going to put in. So I have this speaker here, another yard sale find. And then let me put it from one edge to the other. It's basically right where it's supposed to be. So that's where it's going to be, something like that. And then I plan on putting maybe it's probably going to be one tweeter. I can't really fit any other component in here. So there you go. You get the picture of what I'm going to be trying to do. So I need to build a faceplate thick enough, higher enough to put these new components in, and I'm gonna have to think about I don't know if I'm gonna leave it sealed or do I want it chambered, basically ported. Could be an easy project. I can go off to the side, whatever end of what the speaker is going to be, or I can even go in the middle side, the back. I can go up. Occasionally you don't want to do that unless it's in the trunk of a car. But anyways, you pretty much get the drift of what's going on. I also have plenty of screw pegs here for my screws at the end, hold the face in. So that's that. That is the plan. Will it work? Sure. Let's see if I can do it.
That's 800-928-3366. Here's your cholesterol and iron weather center forecast on Hits 106.
That's going to be the face here. Next thing I want to do is verify the holes.
Stock up on toilet paper or disinfecting supplies. The short supply has been caused by panic buying and hoarding. There really is enough product to go around if we control our fears and emotions. Whenever possible, do business with a local merchant. They're a part of our community. Finally, find out how you can help others. If you have an elderly or disabled neighbor, take a moment to find out.
Alright, moment of truth. Let's see if we've got them perfectly aligned. Now I can't see in on the flashlight. So what I'm going to do is just put this right here and, oh yeah, that's a good one. Yep. Yep. Nice. Nice. Perfect. Here we go. All of them. Yep. Beautiful. Now that is good. Alright, now to see where I'm going to put my components. Now you see why I want this above that plastic. This speaker is actually from one side of this to the other. But I'm going to make it that it's going to blend in, so I want it all the way here, like that. Actually, I might be too close to me cutting it. Yeah, I don't want it that close like that. Ooh, actually, I'm gonna have a problem here. Oh yeah. Well, you know what? Problem is not a problem until you come across it, right? So let me just mark the damn thing. And go with the flow here. I don't know if I should go like that. Yeah, regardless of that, you know what? I'm not gonna worry about that up here as well. So I want it to be that. Good enough for me, right? Yeah. Alright, so that's where the speaker's gonna go. Now, tweeter. So let's see, that's the top end, right? That's the top end. Yeah, so I want the tweeter right about, possibly right about here somewhere, right there. Measure from here to here. Actually, I like to go from the inside out, like that, and then I'm gonna measure like that. Okay. Now, obviously, over here, you can't really tell, but it's gonna go really close to that edge. That was the problem I was talking about. Hopefully, it works out. I think it'll be alright. You know, as I think more and more, do I really want it that close on this edge? I'm still gonna get on that edge. Damn. Just trying to think here. You know what? Fuck it. It is what it is. Very close. Another moment of truth. Alright, so far so good. I might have to clean it up a little bit, it's a little rough. A little coating I put underneath the paint, 2 layers of paint. And then when you wipe it off like that with your hands, you expose the bottom, leaving some character. Now, just gonna let go. Alright, you did that. Now I'm gonna grab a brush and get all of it out. Too hard. I I colored them. It's nice and dry. The paint looks pretty good actually. Turned kind of pinkish almost. Oh well. I'm not going to go too far down with that. I might actually back up all these. I'm going to have to solder a piece of wire from the tweeter to the sub, or should I say the mid-ranger. So it's going to go like this. Like that. That's going to go there. And then that's going to go there like that, along with this wire coming out the back. That's good enough. That's the negative. Let me make sure this is right too. Always double check your work. See, on this one is not. See what I'm saying? This one is actually, yeah, it's opposite. Actually, no, that's right. Okay. Alright, so that's right. Negative to negative. There we go. I'm going to add a little more solder. There we go. That's going to make it a lot easier now. Come on. Jesus Christ. Place it here. Let's see where I'm going to have it. Like right about here. What do you think? Let's see how this is facing. It's facing that way. I want it to face the other way, like that. Now I gotta find the special screws, which are here. Big old bag. The only problem with these screws is that some have good heads and some don't. Now, you see what that is? Yep, it's those. Alright, now I'm going to tighten them. I gotta look over here, I can't see that bottom area. There we go. See that? Making sure it's just flat. It's too bad there's no more here. There's a little mark over here. I gotta get that with a knife probably. Oh, guess not. Just got it. Alright, so let me figure this back here. What do I want to put? I should put this like that. See? I do have connections for this. Let's see what I have here for connections. That ain't it. Oh, there's a bow. I might cover this one up. Alright, let me figure this out off camera and then get back to you. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna plug it in. I'm not gonna plug it. Just gonna leave it. The other one, I'm gonna use this one. Bore out a hole and put the wire through it. So you can see there's some metal in the middle of it. Just gonna put a screwdriver right through it and just break it. There you go, like that. Shout out to the angry mom yelling at the kids. Yeah. A nut. Back. Now I'm going to plug it in, test her out. What do you think? That looks damn good. Love it. Mellow audio. Yeah. How many of you know about that? Coming to a shop near you. Thanks for watching. This was a fun, quick little idea I had, and yeah, it came out perfect. This speaker wasn't meant to go on here, but guess what? Look at it. Close tolerances made it work. As you can see, very close tolerances on both ends. Oh yeah. At one point I thought the wood was going to break, but I had confidence as long as I took my time, especially around this edge here and here, and as well as there. I thought about that. Good thing there was pegs here that I could reinforce that area, so that ain't going to break. And the paint came out amazing. I put sawdust on it in between layers to give me that wrinkled effect, sparkle effect. Came out pretty wild. Hard to see like that, but you can see that. I don't know where it's gonna go, but it's gonna go somewhere. Digging that. Okay. Turn this down. I don't want to blow. Don't want to blow this up. Do I even have this all the way up? No, I didn't even have it all the way up. God damn. Okay. All right. So that's that. Let me go onto YouTube and play something.
Coming together makes us stronger. And Ford is built to lend a hand with 6-month payment relief. We'll defer 3 payments and make 3 payments.
Works for me. Happy with that. Thanks for coming in, watching this quick project. You guys and gals have a good one. Remember, always fun building something with your hands. With that being said, I need to use these hands to shut off this camera.